is awesome. All I needed something bigger to blast, except for a tiny little T-Rex toy. T-Rex! I gotta blast with my sleepy dart blaster! Oh no! I said it's California! Oh, I forgot! Oh, man, I was using this blaster, not my sleepy dart blaster.
This will do really nicely for a dinosaur park. Could be the perfect dinosaur park to bring the dinosaurs over from T-Rex Ranch. Man, I can't wait. Oh, man, I'm tired though. It's early. Oh, wait a minute. It's not early, it's late. It means Dino Dustin's supposed to be here with the new park rangers. Hey, Dino Dustin, you out here, man? Where are you, Dino Dustin? We need to meet the new park rangers, dude, okay? Come on. All right, come on, Dino Dustin. Oh, wow. Whoa, man.
Sorry I hit you with my soccer ball.
Oh, wow, yeah, you did hit me with your soccer ball there. Wow, that's okay, though. It's just a little soccer ball. Who are you, anyway?
I'm Park Ranger Asher, the new park ranger.
Park Ranger Asher? They didn't tell me any of the park rangers were already here today. Wait a minute, are you really a park ranger?
Yes.
You are? Well, I don't know. You look a little small to be a park ranger.
I'm a dino blasting expert.
Oh, you are?
And I'm good at soccer.
Oh, cool, that's awesome. Okay, well, pleased to meet you, Park Ranger Asher. I'm Park Ranger Aaron. I'm like the head park ranger around here. And that's great that you think you're a park ranger, but you know, not only do you gotta be good at blasting dinosaurs, you gotta be really good at being on the lookout for the Dino Master. He's this bad guy. He's going around taking all of our dinosaurs and trying to make them characters in his video game.
Really?
Yeah, really. Did you hear something?
Yeah.
I don't think it's anything though. It's just, you know, train going by probably.
I think that was a T-Rex.
Ordinarily, I might agree with you, but I know they haven't sent the dinosaurs over yet. But you know what? Because you're a new park ranger, I'll go and I'll check it out, okay? Why don't you go ahead and hide over here in the trees and take your soccer ball and play soccer, okay? I'll go see if I can find this T-Rex. I don't think it is. Don't worry about it, okay? I'm gonna go look for this dinosaur, okay? Watch and learn. This is how it's done, all right? All right. See if I can find your dinosaur, Asher. Ooh, hey, look at this. But that's what they used to tie horses up to. This place was an animal park. It's pretty cool. Okay, time to find a dinosaur.
Oh boy, I think there's a T-Rex. I can't wait to see it. I'm so excited.
All right, let's go find Park Ranger Asher's dinosaur, huh? Dinosaur. That's the thing about junior park rangers. Anytime they hear a roar, they think, oh, it's a dinosaur. Not always, Park Ranger Asher, even in a dino park. Sometimes a roar is just a roar. Okay, let's see if we can find your dinosaur, though, for you, Park Ranger Asher. Okay. Okay. This looks like a pretty good clearing. I don't think I'm seeing a dinosaur out here. Tough luck. I'll just have to call and report that back. Hey, wait a minute. What's that? Sounds like it was coming from... T-Rex! I can get out of here! Oh, it's still coming. Ooh, this rock. Right here. Oh, there's T-Rex right there. Oh. Boy. Good. Found something to distract him.
I think Park Ranger Aaron and LB will really enjoy this dino park. Pretty excited. Speaking of Park Ranger Aaron, he should be around here somewhere. These are definitely Park Ranger Aaron's prints. Hey, there's base camp. Let's check over there.
Oh no, I better call Dustin.
Okay.
Hey, it's Park Ranger LB. What's going on, LB?
Hey, Dino Dustin. I accidentally sent over a T-Rex to Park B.
Whoa, a T-Rex is here?
Yeah, a T-Rex, so...
Oh, okay. I'll take care of it right away.
Okay, see ya, bye. Okay, put that back in there. What should we do now? Let's go zap the cup.
Come in, Park Ranger Aaron.
Hey, that's Park Ranger Dino Dustin there. Yeah, go ahead, Dino Dustin. What's up?
There's a T-Rex loose in the park.
Yeah, I know. It's right here. I'm trapped behind a rock.
I have to turn on the paddock fences right now.
Okay, I'll figure out a plan and I'll get out of here. Go ahead and turn the fences on in 2 minutes. Don't worry about me. I'll get away from T-Rex somehow.
Okay, over and out.
Okay, T-Rex is almost done with his little meal there. I got a plan, man. Come up with a plan. I know. Come in, Park Ranger Asher. Are you there?
Yeah, this is Park Ranger Asher.
Hey, Park Ranger Asher. Yeah, I'm trapped over here under this big rock pile. And T-Rex is right here, and I can't get out. And they're going to turn on the paddock fences in 2 minutes. I need your help.
Okay, I'll be there.
Okay, awesome. I'll be waiting right here.
Yay! I've been waiting.
I'm gonna hide back here a bit so T-Rex doesn't see. Ooh, 2 minutes. Gotta hurry. Hey, there's Park Ranger Asher.
It's a real T-Rex. That T-Rex is awesome. Boy, I need a plan to save Park Ranger Aaron. I know. It's a steak. T-Rex loves steak.
I think those are steaks. Look pretty tasty, too. He's gonna lead T-Rex away.
Oh, it's working! The T-Rex is following the steak. Take this, T-Rex.
Hey, there we go. It's working. T-Rex is going. Awesome! Bye, T-Rex.
So long, sucker.
Time for me to get out of here. I'm almost out of time. Awesome, man! Wow! Park Ranger Asher, it worked. He's gone. T-Rex is gone. Wow, that's so cool. High five, Park Ranger Asher. Oh, man. That was awesome. I can't believe you put those stakes out there like that, and then T-Rex went walking off and... Uh-oh. Did you hear the paddock alarms go on? That means the paddock fences are gonna be activated in 60 seconds. Quick, we gotta get out of here. Grab your stuff. Come on, let's go get to the fence.
They have about 1 minute. I hope they make it.
Well, we gotta hurry. Look, it's the paddock fence. It's right down there.
Yes! We're almost there!
All right, you guys, you got 10 seconds. You have to get out of there.
10 seconds.
We gotta go!
Let's hurry! Run! Oh, look, it's T-Rex. It's coming back up to us, quick. Hurry, we gotta get to the fence. There it is. He's almost here. Quick, get across the fence before the lasers come on.
Come in, Park Rangers. The paddock fences are on. I hope you guys made it out.
Ow! Oh, look, Park Ranger Asher, we made it through the fence, and the lasers just came on.
Wait, I don't see anything.
Well, it's because they're invisible, but when T-Rex comes up to it, he's gonna get a zap. Okay, wait, here comes T-Rex right now!
Whoa!
T-Rex got a big zap. He's going back home now. Okay.
We're safe.
We're safe. High five, dude. Good job.